How to recover delete notes on your iPhone. Simply open up your notes, and for example I am to deleting these notes. Then how I recovered this option, then press on this icon, and here you can see the recent deleted. If you press on recent deleted, you can easily recover it to your phone again. Just press and hold and press on move. Now select your folder or you want to recover. But if you don't see this iCloud option or my phone option, then simply go to your go to setting, and here you can see my on my iPhone. Just enable this option to check your on my phone as well. And if you don't see this option available here, then simply you need to go open your Chrome browser and go iCloud and log into with your iCloud account, and here you can see your notes option. Just press on notes. Now simply go back and press on go back again. Then here you can see recent deleted. So if you press on recent deleted, then you can see all of your deleted file. Now press and hold, and you can easily recover from here as well. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.